Hello kids, welcome to Jashwin TV. Let's learn types of air transport. Before we start, please subscribe now. Aeroplane, helicopter, biplane, air balloon, rocket, parachute, wind glider, glider, fighter jet, blimp, drone, space shuttle, spaceship. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Jashwin TV.